Hey everyone, I just want to talk about a product called Magnolia today that we have here at Health Track. Magnolia, I think, is exactly what people need today to help with the stress in their immune system, to keep everything functioning properly. Magnolia is a combination of herbs that help balance your thyroid, which basically is your immune system, to help it fight off infections, diseases, just to keep it flowing the way it should, to help your whole system and health come up. But the Magnolia part balances the cortisol in your brain. And the cortisol is what helps deal with stress and helps trigger the response for weight loss, which is what about every person that comes in the office is asking for weight loss. But the most important thing is the stress. Cortisol, if it's high, your body is in this rapid state of always trying to thrive and like it's under attack. And when that happens, you're depleting your minerals, your stress, your sleep cycle goes through the roof, and your heart rate and blood pressure will skyrocket. And when that happens, you're going to feel a whole bunch of symptoms, which will keep you running to the doctors just to get some more medicine. Magnolia will help balance the cortisol and your thyroid, which is going to help you deal with everything that's going on in the world today. Thank you.